Want to get a check of that forecast right now with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith. So, folks, they're not going to have to bring the umbrellas out today.
Right.
But this week, they're going to definitely have to endure some rain.
Plenty of rain. Really doesn't move back in until late tonight. We'll stay dry during the day today, but the main concern this morning is that fog. And unfortunately, that fog is getting a little bit worse in some spots. On the Way 31 Skycam network, you see that dense fog that's been in the shoals this morning. It hasn't moved one bit. That fog is getting a little bit worse in Decatur this morning. Here in the metro, we're looking pretty good for the time being, but I do expect at least some more fog to develop before that sun comes up. You got to add an extra 10 to 15 minutes to your morning routine. Also need that light jacket heading out the door. Temperatures in the low 50s. It's actually a pretty mild start to the day, and we will keep those temperatures on the mild side all day. Warmest day this week, in fact. On the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. It is a clean sweep. The rain we saw yesterday and last night has moved out, and we are getting some much needed dry time before that next round of rain moves in late tonight. Now, I put in a 10% chance for maybe one or two rogue showers developing this afternoon, but nearly all of us stay dry. It will be overcast, not a whole lot of sunshine today, and your high temperatures, as we mentioned, the warmest this week, near 60 degrees. Once we get towards late tonight and Tuesday morning, the messy weather returns. Here's what you need to know this week. Late tonight, early Tuesday morning, our next wave of rain moves in. We'll have a couple more waves just during the day Tuesday alone. Heavy rain is possible Wednesday afternoon through Wednesday night, all the way through Thursday, too. For nearly all of us in North Alabama, the main concern is just plain rain, and a lot of it. However, just to our north, there's a winter weather component with this system. They have some icing concerns up in Tennessee. That could cause problems for our Tennessee counties. Let me walk you through future radar. 3 o'clock this afternoon, it's just fine. Mostly cloudy, but dry. Same story goes for any Monday evening plans you might have. But this is 4 o'clock Tuesday morning. You see that light rain moving into northwest Alabama. We will have a few showers around for the Tuesday morning drive. And then another wave of rain moves in as we get towards Tuesday afternoon. Watch what happens Tuesday night. Look at the top of your screen. We've got some pinks showing up along I-40 in Tennessee. That is freezing rain. Our folks to the north are going to see quite a bit of freezing rain. The big question here at home is how cold do those temperatures get in southern Tennessee? If we get close to freezing Tuesday night, that rain could very briefly change over to some freezing rain in our Tennessee counties. If you're watching us in Alabama, just plain rain, no freezing rain concern whatsoever. But in southern Tennessee, we will have a very small window for at least some freezing rain tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. No impacts are expected, though, because those temperatures will hover right at freezing. Regardless, the main concern is still heavy rain, especially by Wednesday and Thursday later on this week. And then that stationary boundary finally moves to our south, and we will dry things out at last Thursday night heading into the day Friday. So on top of all the rain we saw last night, we're looking at another 2 to 3 inches of rain just this week in Alabama. Higher winter weather chances in Tennessee means lower rainfall totals. Most of us going to see about 1 to 2 inches of rain in Lawrenceburg and Fayetteville, but slightly higher amounts, as we mentioned, across North Alabama. So a very messy forecast over the next few days. Just keep that umbrella handy starting late tonight, going through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Temperatures also take a tumble. We go into the 40s tomorrow. Good news is, though, the sun comes back on Friday, and those temperatures are on the mild side this weekend with highs in the 50s and no rain in the forecast Saturday or Sunday.
Thanks.